Here at Let's Talk, we would like to encourage responsible drinking. We do not promote drinking and driving, nor anything that will be illegal. Drink responsibly and safely, and let's talk together. Nobody wants a felony.
All right, what's up, y'all?
Hey.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this episode I'm not. I was a little nervous. This one is more nervous than I am. I'm about to tell you why. Basically, this month, I should say, is vodka month. We're doing vodka recipes, and I don't mind vodka. Brittany, on the other hand, a little apprehensive, but I think we have some good recipes that we're gonna be trying out that are also pretty easy for you to replicate as well. So without further ado, we're gonna get started, okay? So we are gonna start out with the Cosmopolitan. Yes, I know. We figured we would start out as easy as it comes, okay? There's only 4 ingredients. You can't mess it up. I mean, you might mess it up, but you can't really mess it up. It's 4 ingredients. And it's gonna be to your liking, depending on what it is that you are into, how much liquor you want, right? So in this case, we have our vodka, which in this case we're using Tito's, okay, all right. We have Cointreau, okay. We got our cranberry juice, and we got some lime juice, all right. So we're about to
Get down.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm as ready as I'm gonna get.
It'll be all right. Yeah, I promise you. Just go. Maybe this time don't do what the ancestors tell you.
Bet. Okay.
There you go. All right.
There we go.
So we've got our shakers with our ice.
Chilled glass.
And a chilled glass. Our vessel. Oh my gosh, how could I forget? This is the most important part because this is what we're gonna be drinking it out of.
Exactly.
My God.
All fancy.
Exactly. So, all right. We're gonna start off with 2 ounces of our vodka. All right.
Ooh, child.
Or, it's whatever the ancestors tell you.
Not
but
in this segment for me.
But Brittany is apprehensive, so she's gonna go with the recipe as stated.
Sticking to the recipe.
I'm not mad at you on that one. I'm not mad at you. All right, 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. Just pass this along. We just pass it along. There you go.
Thank you, ma'am.
1/2 ounce of cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is kind of underrated.
But I thought you don't like cranberry juice.
I like you're right. So I like the variations in cranberry juice. When they be like cran apple and cran grape. I like those.
How much is this for the cranberry?
1/2 ounce.
Half. Ooh, child, I got baby hands.
And okay, we actually have lime concentrate here. So if you're using lime juice, that's when you want to do the 1/2 ounce. I'm probably going to do a couple squirts of the lime juice in this case. All right, squirts. Oh,
wow.
Okay, well,
that was a pour.
It got real. It got real. And then we're gonna give this a shake.
A little shake.
I told you 4 ingredients. So it's not bad.
3 days later.
I think it'll be good.
I think so.
It's not necessarily a drink I would order off Bucks, but sometimes you need to try something out again to appreciate it. So I'm gonna give Cosmopolitan a chance, okay? I'm gonna give the Cosmo girl a chance, all right? And already, color-wise, she is, okay, look at the legs on her. She is giving Cosmo.
Look at the legs.
I said the legs, I did, all right. So, I don't know, let's try out. Should we try it out?
Should we?
Let's do it. I'm doing it.
It's not bad.
She's good. I would complete the drink. I would finish the drink.
I will finish it. Yeah, I will finish it, but
okay, you know how we have to do? We have to do the rating system. Give me the breakdown, take a couple sips. Let me know what you're thinking.
okay. It's not bad, it's not good. I will give this about a 6. Only because,
So you gave Lolita a higher score than this, the original.
Yeah, but I don't know. It don't have no flavor to it. I'm just not a fan of this. I'll give it a 6 though. I mean, I'll drink it, but
Okay.
I wouldn't order it.
So Brittany is still not gonna order the Cosmo
Nah,
when she goes to the bar or a
No,
restaurant. She's still
not at all.
Okay, so I'm gonna be a little more generous. I'm gonna give it a 7. Here's why.
Okay.
I think it's a good starter cocktail for people that are not as versed in drinking and maybe lightweights.
Fair.
So I think that from that standpoint, it's a good, like, I want to see how I can get into this drinking game if I'm into it, right? Or if let's just say I don't really drink, but I'm out to dinner with people and I need something to order. I think the Cosmo, standard, pretty straightforward. It's not my fave.
No.
It's just nothing necessarily stands out about it.
No, it's just like a, okay, thank you for giving it to me type drink, but it's nothing wow about it.
Exactly. It's giving me basic.
Yeah, basic.
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 You're basic.
But we don't waste here.
We don't. But if it was a different flavor, maybe take out the cranberry, maybe add something else to it, I probably don't like it. But then it won't be a Cosmo with it.
It wouldn't be a Cosmo. I think, I gotta look it up, but I actually think that it has to be the cranberry juice to be.
Well, cranberry needs a compliment. Because
Maybe, no, okay. Maybe instead of plain cranberry juice, you do like cran apple or cran peach. You know,
That'll work.
One of the mixes that
the elder, but
not
one of
not the original,
No.
not the OG. You know, I'm also wondering, and yes, I'm gonna bring it up. I'm also wondering if the particular vodka is the factor here.
Might be.
And I'm bringing this up because we also did a poll and had y'all select the particular vodkas we were gonna be trying out today.
Y'all have no taste. It's like, I'm just kidding.
And I'm not kidding. Tito's, guys, like, it screams basic. I get it. Tito's is standard, like, and it's actually price point wise, it's really good.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I get why people gravitate towards Tito's. It's just not my favorite vodka. So I'm wondering if maybe you do it with Grey Goose. Would it be different?
Maybe, but it's vodka for
Maybe.
me, so it's not going to do it for me.
I get your point.
Yeah, thank you, sis.
I think the overall concept here is we're underwhelmed. Brittany more than I am.
Overall, it's not a drink that's bad to the point where I'm like, ew, I don't want this. I'm not going to turn it away. Will I order it? Maybe not. If somebody gave it to me, yeah, I would drink it. One of those type things.
So, yeah, I mean, definitely we'll put all the ingredients down below. Let us know what you think. I mean, let us know if you would even order a Cosmo to begin with. Like, is that even your thing? And would you even try it? Like, I'm just curious what the general public feels about Cosmo. You know what I mean? Like,
I'm curious to know too. I mean, y'all voted for vodka.
vodka.
So,
I mean, vodka's okay. I'm not mad at vodka, but
well, somebody has to prove me wrong. Right now, this is not proving me right. Well, wrong. Sorry.
Wait, yeah, you got that. Are you lushing already?
Nope, I'm not. Thank you.
Oh, shit. Might need a little couple sips of water in between. I don't know, sis. It's starting already. All right, so we're gonna see how this progresses with our other recipes. Right now, we're a little underwhelmed, but that's okay. That's okay. So we'll come back and we're gonna try our second recipe.
And make sure you subscribe, like, comment
Yes,
below.
all of that. Do all of that.
Thank you.
Thank you.